Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa Ferran, and today we are getting my hair from this to this. Now, as you can see, my hair is not straight, but it's also not curly. I had a photo shoot last week and they asked me to straighten my hair before arriving to the makeup artist place. And it was kind of like a rainy day. So when I got there, she did my makeup, and then when she was doing my hair, she wanted to put some extensions as well. So she went over my already straightened hair and straightened it again so she could put more extensions so my hair would look a little bit fuller, even though it's already full. I did like the look, but as most of you know, if you know, I don't straighten my hair that often. I think I've straightened my hair in the last year and a half about 2 times, this being the second one. And the last time I noticed that it was not as easy to just wash your hair and let it be curly, just because my hair has already had so much heat damage from the past, and I didn't had any big chop. I am not gonna have one. I know there's like some parts that I definitely should cut, but I'm not gonna cut until I want to, because it's my hair. We're trying to make this return to its natural curl pattern without any heat or damage. Again, she did use a lot of like straightening over the same area just so that extensions would blend, and then to top it off, she did curl them in waves. That's why my hair is not straight. These are like my remaining of my waves. Look how oily it is. Like, I've used kind of like power for your hair. I put oils here because it was really dry of the heat down here. I'm definitely in need of a wash. I actually have bought a while ago the Olaplex. This is so little. I bought it because everybody raved about it, but this is so tiny. I bought it from Sephora, and I'm like, one day, because I did wanted to redo my highlight, because look how much my hair has grown in this year. It's this area right here. Fanola sent me some products a while ago. I toned my hair one day before doing my photo shoot because I hadn't toned my hair in so long. So I used the No Orange shampoo and the mask. These two, guys, I'm shook. The day before that, I was like, okay, I have to redone my highlights. I hate the color. It was brassy, it was gross. I was using the Not Your Mother's like purple shampoo, but I tried to like it. I really tried to like it, but it did not work for me. And just one use of this, it literally brought my normal, like my highlight color back, my caramel color, which is the one that I love and I adore. And I don't know now if I want to do my highlights again, or maybe not anytime soon, just because this allowed my hair color to come back, and I'm so happy. Since I love those two, I decided I wanted to try the Fiber Fix shampoo and the Fiber Fix, it's like a bond connector, which this one replaces the Olaplex. Look how little this one's compared to this one. Since I got so much heat damage from the time that she passed the curling and the straightening iron, I felt like this was perfect to get my hair back. Let's go shower. Let's say goodbye to my waves that I truly love. I'm sorry. First, I'm going to wet my hair, and I'm going to start with the Fiber Fix shampoo, which is made to revive the most damaged hair. It heals chemical, heat, and mechanical damage. So I'm going to apply it and massage my hair all around. Watch me sing in hymn. And after that, I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes and then rinse with a lot of water. I'm going to towel dry with my microfiber towel after I rinse it off. And I'm going to continue with the bond connector. And this one, it gets the inside the hair cuticle to repair from the inside out. It also works as a sealing cream for colored and bleached hair. And it's really easy to use. Just massage and then start like brushing through with my tangle teaser, and leave it from 2 to 5 minutes. I left it for 5 and rinse with a lot of water as well. Now after I'm done, I'm going to apply the Innate leave-in, and then I'm going to continue with the Garnier jelly, the Curl Treat jelly, which I love, and I'm going to scrunch with that. And and after I'm going to continue with the Rose Hair Elixir, which I'm obsessed with. It's everything I've ever wanted in oil. It has 15 organic oils, and I use this to seal in moisture. And then I let it air dry because, again, no more heat for now, for a long time. So guys, we're back. This is the final result. Guys, I'm so happy. Like, look at the curls, they're back. Look at the ends, they look so healthy. You know, like, I was a little worried because we did use a lot of heat for that hairstyle, you know, like that overly passing the straightening iron and then curling the hair. So that's a lot of heat that I'm not usually like exposed. But look at my curls. I'm so in love with the Fanola products. I truly recommend them. I love how it brought my curls, they're like bounced back in a way. Like, look at it. I love it. I love it. I'm really happy. Obsessed with Fanola brand. I wouldn't recommend to use this as like everyday shampoo and conditioner because they're not. But I do notice that it brought my moisture back. It brought my protein back. So if you want to keep doing this maybe once every 2 weeks, that would be fine. I loved it. I am obsessed. Hope you liked my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate if you do that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm so happy to have my curls back. I honestly didn't even recognize myself without my curly hair. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Much love. Bye.